Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a QR code for a PDF so you can easily share your document with others. Whether it's for business, school, or marketing, a QR code makes accessing your file quick and simple. Let's get started. So let's say you have a PDF, like this one here, and you want to turn it into a QR code. The first thing we need to do is upload it to Google Drive. Just click New and then upload the file. Select the PDF you want to create a QR code for and wait for it to finish uploading. Once the PDF is in your drive, right-click on it, select Share, and then click Share again. Under the General Access settings, change it to Anyone with the link. This allows the QR code tool to access the file. Then just click Copy Link and click Done. Now open a new tab and go to the QR code tool. We are using qrstaff.com. It's a simple tool that turns your link into a QR code. Give it a moment to load. Then click on the URL box and paste the link we just copied. Click to style your QR code and then click Setup. Your QR code will now appear. From here, we can download it to share with others. You can save it as a PNG or JPG. We will go with PNG. Once the download is complete, we save it to the computer, and there is your QR code ready to use. And that's how we create a QR code for a PDF in just a few easy steps. It's a quick and simple way to share documents anytime, anywhere.